Hello, my name is Michael and I'm from Generation B.
And I'm Martina.
Today we are going to talk about our two scents of hand cream. We have a rose and also a citrus. Our citrus has an amazing scent to it. It has two different types of essential oils in it. It has an orange and a blood orange. Our rose has a rose essential oil to it.
And also jasmine.
Our hand creams are very thick in nature. Very little will go a long way. Our product has our own beeswax in it from my own hives.
And tons of other amazing ingredients. The ingredients that are in these are soothing. They're gonna help with scarring, puts that nice protective barrier on your skin as well. And like Mike said, a little bit goes a long way. This isn't gonna sit on top of your skin. It's not gonna be greasy, it's gonna absorb. And this tube is gonna go a long way. It's a nice big 8-ounce tube.